Okay, good evening once again. So, good evening, Luke. Good evening, Tom and May. Okay, how are you? How are you today? Okay, let's start with Luke. How are you today, Luke?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, you're doing fine. How about Tom? How are you today, Tom?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay. How about May? How are you today, May?
I'm happy.
Okay, you are happy. Okay. So are you ready for our class? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So last class, we learned this one, right? So we learned how to describe the four pictures. And that's about Claire's birthday, right? Okay, so now we are going to continue learning the odd one out. Okay, so add one out. Okay, let's recall. So we're done with this last time. So look at the picture. So we have lemon. What's this?
This is lemon.
Okay, so we have lemon. Then, okay, lemon. This one, pine, apple. Okay, so let's recall lemon. Everybody, lemon, then pine, pineapple. Okay, we have, what's this? The third one, the third picture.
This is book.
Okay, so a book. Next, what's this? It's,
It's orange.
okay, it's an orange. Okay, so which one does not belong in the group? Look, which one does not belong? Lemon, pineapple, book, orange. Which one does not belong? It's
It's book.
It's the book. Okay. So everybody, let's read. Okay, let's read this one. Pictures 1 and 2 and 4 are fruit. Ready, go. Everybody read. Ready, go. Picture.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay, is the odd one out. Okay, so we pronounce this one odd. Everybody say odd.
Out.
Okay. All right, let's have Tom. Tom, please read. Pictures 1.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruits. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay, very good. How about Luke? Luke, please read. Go.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3 is a book. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, very good. Luke, Tom, and May. Okay, so the book is the odd one out. Okay, that's picture 3. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's have the first picture. What is that? Luke, first
A
picture.
kangaroo.
Okay, this is kangaroo. A kangaroo. How about picture 2? Tom, what is this? Tom, picture 2. What is picture 2, Tom? What
A
animal is
giraffe.
this? Okay, penguin. Tom, it's a penguin. Okay, picture 3, May. What is this?
Bear.
It's a bear. Okay. What is this? Picture 4, Luke. It is a Look.
A
What is
rabbit.
Okay, a rabbit. Okay, so we have kangaroo, penguin, bear, and rabbit. So which one is the odd one out? May. Which one is the odd one out?
Uh, Picture 2.
Picture 2, it's the penguin. Why? Why? Why penguin is the odd one out?
Because picture 1, 3, and 4, there are 4 legs. Picture 2, there are 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Very good, May. So picture 2 is a penguin which has 2 legs only. Okay, Tom and Luke. So the odd one out is the penguin. Okay, so let's read. Okay, Tom, let's start with you. Please read. Pictures 1.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit. But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, how about Luke? Please read Luke.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with 4 legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit.
Mhm.
But picture 2, a penguin has 2 legs. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, that's correct. So there you go. So let's go to the next. Okay, so look at the 4 pictures. These are people and they are doing something, right? So picture 1 is washing his, what is that? Washing his, okay, washing his hands. So we can say that washing his hands. Okay, picture 2. What is it? Is that? Look, what is picture 2?
Washing
Washing,
his face.
washing her because it's a girl. Washing her face. Okay, third picture. May. What is the man doing or the boy doing? Washing.
Washing his hair.
Okay, washing his head. Okay, picture 4. What is that, Tom? What is the girl doing? Tom, drinking. Tom. What is the girl doing, Tom? Drinking. Tom? Hello, Tom. Can you hear teacher? Drinking what? Drinking juice. Okay. All right. Are you following with me? Are you with teacher? Okay, let's read the model answer. Okay, Tom, please read. Picture 1, pictures 1. Tom.
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts.
Mhm.
Washing hands, face, and hair. But picture 4, she is sitting, sitting down and drinking a glass of juice. Picture 4 is the odd one out.
Okay, how about Luke? Please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts. Washing hands, face, and hair. But picture 4, she is sitting down and drinking a glass of juice. Picture 4 is the odd one out.
Okay, very good, May. How about Luke?
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts.
Mm-hmm.
Hair, face, and head. But picture 4, she is sitting down and drink a glass of juice. Picture 4 is the old one out.
Okay, so everybody, you pronounce this face. Face.
Face.
Okay, can you follow? Face. Face. Washing hands, face, and head. Okay, this one also odd. Odd. Can you follow, teacher? Odd.
Art.
Okay, so again, we have the word face and we have the word odd. Okay, so please pronounce that properly. Okay, so good job, everybody. So that's our, okay, so that's the odd one out. Picture 4. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, let's practice. So what is the first picture? What is the first picture? Look. What do you think is the man doing? The man is?
The man is watching TV.
Okay, very good. The man is watching TV. How about picture 2, May? What is the girl doing? The girl is?
The girl is cook.
Okay, the girl is cooking. Okay, May? The girl is cooking.
Cooking.
Okay. How about picture 3? Tom, what is the boy doing? Tom, picture 3. What is the boy doing? The boy is? The
Playing
boy?
football.
Okay, the boy is playing football. Okay, picture 4. Look. What is the girl doing?
She is reading a book.
Okay, she is reading a book. Okay, she is reading a book. Okay, May, what is the man doing? Picture 1, May, what is the man doing?
Watching TV.
Again, complete sentence. The man is?
Cooking.
The man is, picture 1.
The man
And,
is watching TV.
okay, so answer teacher in a complete sentence. The man is watching TV. Okay, picture 2, Tom. What is the girl doing? Or what is the woman doing? Tom. What is the woman doing, Tom? What is the girl doing, Tom? Picture 2. Tom, are you listening to teacher? Tom? Tom, what is the girl doing? The girl is? Tom.
Cooking.
Answer teacher in a complete sentence. Everybody. Tom. The girl is?
The girl is cooking.
Okay. Always answer teacher in a complete sentence. Okay. Hello, Anna. Good evening. Hello, Anna. Please,
Hello, teacher.
please open your camera.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to picture 3. Look, what is the boy doing?
He playing football.
The boy is playing
Football.
The boy is, the boy is,
The boy is playing football.
okay, the last picture, Anna, what is the girl doing?
She is reading a book.
Again, she is.
She is reading a book.
Okay, all right, so there you go. So let's now look at the four pictures and let's think which one is the odd one out. So what do you think, May? Which picture is the odd one out?
Picture 3 is the odd one out
Why?
because picture 3
Picture three is
picture 3 is play.
play football.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about Tom? How about Luke? Okay, that's good, May. Okay, let's check your answers later. Look, which one is the odd one out? Picture one, two, three, or four?
I don't know.
Which one do you think? Just guess. Just guess. Look, which one do you think is the odd one out? Is it picture one? Is it picture two, picture three, or picture four? Look, try to guess. Which one do you think?
Picture 1,
Pic-
2, and
yeah,
4.
I'm I'm asking about which one do you think is the odd one out?
Picture
Okay,
3.
picture three. Okay, you said a while ago, picture one, two, and four. What are those? Yes. What is picture one, two, and four? Okay, so you said Luke, picture three is the odd one out. Okay, that's your guess. How about Tom? Tom, which one do you think is the odd one out? Which one does not belong in the group? Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, Tom. Tom, I want you to talk, to speak. What are you doing? Yes, Tom, try to guess which one.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Try to guess which one. One, two, three, or four. Don't give teacher, I don't know. You have to speak. You have to guess. Hmm. Which one do you think is the odd one out? Tom. Tom, I'm speaking to you. What do you think, Tom, is the odd one out? Okay, how about Anna? Anna, what do you think? Anna? Which one do you think, Anna, is the odd one out? Hello, Anna. I cannot hear you. Hello. Hello, Anna. Oh, I cannot hear you. Okay, let's now answer. Okay, so you said three is the odd one out. Luke, May, and Tom is not sure. Okay, let's check. Okay, you listen to teacher. Pictures one, two, and four are inside the house. So watching TV, cooking, and reading a book inside the house. Watching TV, cooking, and reading a book, but picture three is outside the house. Okay? So he's playing football. So picture three is the odd one out. Okay, do you follow? Okay, let's start with May. May, please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house,
Mm-hmm.
watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house,
Mm-hmm.
playing football. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay, again, don't forget to say odd. 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 Okay? Odd. So odd one out. Okay. Next, let's have Luke. Luke, please read.
Beatles 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But Beatles 3 is outside the house. He's playing football. Beatles 3 is the odd one out.
All right, very good. Okay, that's good, Luke. How about Tom? Tom, please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and writing a book. But
Mhm.
Picture 3 is outside the house. He playing football. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Tom. Let's have Anna. Anna, please read.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are in the house watching TV
Inside. Inside.
inside. Pic- Picture 1,
Again,
2,
again,
and
Anna. Anna, read again. Pictures one and two.
pictures 1 and 2 and 4 are inside the house watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house. He's playing football. Picture 3 is the old one out.
Okay, that's it. There you go. Okay, so that's our answer. So remember that one, everybody, because we will have a speaking practice later. Okay, so we will have an activity. All right, so this is now odd one out. Okay, so let's talk about that one. Let's talk about this odd one out. Okay, so this is picture one. This is what we practiced last time. So this is one, this is two, three, and four. So there are four sets of pictures that you are going to speak. Okay? So which one is the odd one out in the group? Okay. So let's start. Let's practice. So for example, you would say, uh, in the first group, okay, so we would say this one. In the first group, okay, in the first group, in the second group,
Picture
so
1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 3,
picture three is what? Is a book. Okay, so this is group one, two, three, four. So you would say in the first group, uh, lemon, Pineapple and orange are fruits, but book is not a fruit. So book is the odd one out. Okay? So let's start speaking. Let's start with you, May. Okay, let's have May. Let's have the first group. Ready? Go.
Picture 1, 2, and 3 of what picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon
Fruits. Fruits.
fruit, a lemon, pineapple, and orange.
Hmm.
In picture 3 is book. Picture
Is
2
a book.
is a book.
Hmm.
Picture 3 is on one out.
Okay, very good, May. Okay, let's have the next. Look. Okay, next look. Picture
Picture
one.
1, picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals flowers. With flowers.
With
A
four
kangaroo
legs. With four
with
legs.
flowers. A kangaroo, a bear, a, and a rabbit. But picture 2 is a penguin. Picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, good. Very good. Look. All right, good job. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, let's have this group. Okay, ready, Tom? Okay, you speak now.
Picture 1, 2, and 3. It was seen.
Is washing
Head, hand, head,
then
and head.
hmm. Then picture 4.
Then picture 4 see 16.
Mm-hmm. Picture 4 is drinking. Drinking what?
Drink, drinking was.
Huh? Drinking
Bit,
what? Drinking. Drinking juice. Okay,
drinking
again, look.
juice.
Again, one more time. Oh, sorry. One more time, Tom. Tom, one more time. Picture 1, 2, and 3 are Tom. One more time.
Picture 1, 2, 3 are washing. Face, hand, head, and head. In picture 4,
Mm-hmm.
see 16. Drink of juice.
Mm.
In picture 3, the old one out.
Ah, picture 3 is the odd one out. Are you sure? Ah, because you're not listening, Tom. You're always playing. You're not listening. Funny. Okay, Tom, I want you to read this one. Let's practice, Tom. Tom? Okay, Tom, let's practice this. I want you to read. You're not listening. Tom? Okay, Tom, I want you to read. Your answer is wrong. You're not listening to teacher. Again, pictures 1, 2. I cannot hear you, Tom. Your microphone.
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body part, washing hand, the face and head. But picture 4, she is sitting down and drinking a glass of juice. Picture 4 is the odd one out.
Okay, that's how you do it, Tom. Okay? So this time, Tom, let's try. Let's try to do it again. One more time. I want you to practice. Okay, let's practice, Tom. Okay? So describe the picture. Ready, go. Picture 1.
Picture 1, 2, 3 is washing face, hand, and head.
Hmm.
In picture 4,
Picture 4 is
she is sitting
and drinking.
and drinking glass of juice.
Picture 4 is.
Picture 4 is odd one out.
Okay, that's it, Tom. Okay, you have to listen because we will do speaking practice of the 4 pictures. Okay, so we will have speaking practice with the 4 pictures later. So I will call you one by one. Okay, let's have May. Okay, May, let's have this picture or set of picture. The last one. Okay, this one, May. Describe the 4 pictures.
Picture 1, 2, and 4
Are what?
are
Are activities inside the
our activity inside the house.
hmm,
In picture 3, our activity
outside
outside the house.
outside the house.
Outside the house.
Okay, let's read one more time, May. Let's practice. Ready, go. Pictures 1.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house. He's playing football. Picture 3 is the aunt one out.
Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, let's practice again. May, let's practice. Describe the picture.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 is are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. In verse in picture 3, outside the house, he's playing football. Picture 3 is on one out.
Okay, very good, May. Okay, let's have Luke. Luke, describe the picture.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house. He's playing football. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, that's perfect. Look. Okay, let's have Anna. Anna, let's describe the picture, Anna.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house watching TV, cooking, playing football, reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house. He's playing football. Oh, oh.
Okay. Picture three is.
Picture 3 is the odd, odd one out.
Okay, let's practice. One more time, Anna. Describe the picture. Describe the picture, Anna. Picture one.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 the inside the house watching TV, cooking, playing football, reading reading a book. Picture 3 playing a football. Oh, picture 3 the is one odd out.
Picture three is the odd one out. Okay, very, very good, Anna. That's a good try. Okay, let's have
Thank you.
Tom. Okay, Tom, please read. Go ahead, Tom. Tom, please read. Pictures one.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book. But picture 3 is outside the house. The He playing football. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay, one more time, Tom. Let's try to speak without the model. Okay, ready, go. Picture
Big
one.
Picture 1, 2, and 4
Mm.
is
Are,
are
are, are inside the house.
are inside the house watching TV, cooking, and writing a writing a book. In picture 3,
Picture three is playing football outside.
in picture 3 are outside the house. He playing football.
Picture three is the
Picture
odd.
3 is Picture 3 is out one the out one out.
Okay, so there you go, Tom. That's a good try. Okay, this time, everybody, teacher will give you 1 minute. Okay? Teacher will give you 1 minute and you have to practice. Then after 1 minute, we will do the speaking practice for these pictures. Okay? All right, so teacher will give you 1 minute and then after that, we are going to practice. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'll try to show you the picture again. Okay, and then I'm going to. Okay, So we are going to do a timer. So teacher will give you 1 minute to practice. Anna, Tom, May, Luke. Okay, so you are going to practice. So give me a second. Okay, I'll put a minute. Okay, so teacher will give you 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute starts now. So you practice first. Then I will call you for our speaking practice. So practice the different pictures. Okay, everyone. So time is up. Okay. So, are you ready? Luke, Tom, May, Anna, are you ready? Luke, are you ready, Luke?
Yes.
Okay, Tom, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, May, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Anna, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's pick a name. Okay, so I have here a name. So Luke, Tom, May, Anna. Okay, let's pick let's pick a name who will speak first. Okay, let's do it. Okay, Tom, you are the first speaker. Okay, Tom, let's start with you. So you are going to speak the 4 sets of picture, okay? Let's start with the first set. Okay, go ahead, Tom. Let's start with this. Go.
In picture 1, 2, and 4 of fruit, pineapple, lemon, a pineapple, a lemon, and an orange. Picture 3. Picture 3 is a book. Picture 3, the odd one out.
Okay, very good. Next group. Okay, the next group is this one. Go.
In picture 1, 3, 4, and 4 is animal 4 leg. Bear, kangaroo, rabbit, and rabbit. In the picture 2, the pig,
The penguin is the odd.
the penguin is 2
Is the
legs.
odd. Yeah,
Is the
penguin
odd
has again. Penguin has 2 legs. So
the
picture
penguin
2.
the 2 legs.
So picture 2 is the
So picture 2 is the odd one out.
okay. Next. Okay, the third group. Go ahead.
In picture 1, 2, and 4, washing a pig, hand, and head. In the picture 4, she sitting, drinking glass of juice. The picture 4 is the odd one out.
All right. Okay, that's good. How about the last group? Okay, this one. Go.
Picture 1, 2, and 4. Watching TV, cooking, and
Reading.
reading a book. In the picture 3, he playing football. In the picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay. All right. So that's a good try. Very good, Tom. That's good. Okay. So for the rest, Luke, May, and Anna, get ready. Let's pick. All right. Let's have Luke. Okay, Luke, it's your turn. Ready? Go.
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are fruit. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange. But picture 4, picture 3, but picture 3 is the book. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
So that is a book. Okay, picture 3 is a book. Okay. Next, set. Okay, set 2. Go ahead.
Picture 1, 3, and 4 are animals with fur legs. A kangaroo, a bear, and a rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
But picture 2 is a penguin. Penguin has 2 legs. But picture 2 is the odd one out.
Okay, very good, Luke. Next, Luke, set 3.
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are watching the party bus. Watching has fries and heat. But picture 4, she is sitting down and drinking a glass of juice.
Okay.
Picture,
Mm-hmm.
picture 5 is the odd one out.
Okay, good. And the last?
Picture 1, 2, and 4 are inside the house, watching TV, cooking, and reading a book.
Mm.
But picture 2 but picture 2
Picture 3.
but picture 3 is inside
It's
is
outside.
outside is outside the house. He play football. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay. All right. That's good, Luke. That's a good practice. Okay, let's May and Anna get ready. All right, let's have Anna. And the last is May. Okay, Anna, are you ready? Let's
Yes.
start. Okay, let's have the first set. Go ahead.
In picture 1, 2, 3, with lemon eye, pineapple, book, orange, picture, 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 the picture we is a book. Picture three is the one of one out.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Let's have the next set. Go ahead.
In picture one, three, four animals. Kangaroo, penguin, bear, rabbit. Okay. Picture two is a penguin. Picture two is the odd one out.
Okay, that is penguin, Anna. Picture 2 is a penguin.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have the next. Go ahead.
In picture one, picture one, two, mm, mm,
Picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts.
five. Picture one, two, three, washing her. I don't
Mm-hmm.
know.
Okay, picture 1, 2, and 3 are washing the body parts. But picture 4 is sitting or a girl sitting and drinking juice. So picture 4 is the odd one out. Okay? That's it,
Yes.
Anna. That's how you do it. Okay, let's have the last Anna.
In picture 1, 2, 4, watching TV, cooking, playing football, reading a book. Picture 3 is playing a football. Picture 3 is the odd one out.
Okay. All right. So there you go. Okay, so very good, Anna. That's a good try. Only set 3, Anna. Okay, you have to practice this, Anna. Okay, so since we are running out of time, so we only have a minute left. So May and Anna, you will speak next class. Okay? So you will speak next meeting, next Saturday. Okay? So you practice May, you practice Anna, also Tom. Tom, you will speak this one next meeting. Okay? Okay? Okay, May? Okay, Anna?
Yes.
Okay, Tom. So you will speak next meeting, huh? You will practice again. So study at home, study this one. For Luke, you did a good job. Okay? So Luke is studying very good. Okay? So there you go. All right. So we only have 1 hour for tonight. Our class is only 1 hour. Okay? So thank you so much, everybody. Luke, Tom, May, Anna, you practice because I will call you next Saturday. Okay? Okay, everybody? All right. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye,
Good.
Luke. Bye, Tom. Bye, May. Bye, Anna.
Goodbye, teacher.